So this collection this morning has everything to do with the top we're making today, the sew along we're having. So let me just show them to you. This is a velour. So that means they're all knits, they're all stretched in one direction or two. And they're beautiful. This is actually a velour. Probably a little heavy for right now, depends on where you live, but it's such a beautiful fabric. It's 100% cotton. You know, you just can't pass something like this up. I mean, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. This is a beautiful, it's a blue-gray. It's really pretty. It has stretch in one direction. It is a poly cotton. This is what we're working with today. This is what we're going to make the top out of. It's beautiful scuba. It'll make a great little Terry's top. Cute floral. You'll see it today, and you'll be the judge whether you like it or not. But it's a poly cotton. It's a scuba, but it's a real lightweight scuba. Very pretty. And then this is the one I'm making and wearing, and it's beautiful. It's a striated black. It's so pretty. I just love the little fluctuations of color through there. But I'll have it on today, so you'll see that one. This is 100% cotton. Beautiful. Feels beautiful. This is a 100% cotton. It has two-way stretch. It's like a Pontoroma in weight. That is a tag that is for the Italian mill, Gruppo Dondi Spa, that one I've been telling you about that's so high-end in Italy. And so these fabrics are always a little bit more. This one is a little bit more, but boy, is it beautiful. And then this one is a scuba also, and it doesn't look like a scuba, it looks like a knit. It's identical on both sides. Maybe a little difference, but it's perfect for something that you want both sides to show. It has stretch in both directions. Beautiful drape. These scubas have just really beautiful drape. And they're really pretty, and this again is a cotton poly. And they start at $12.99. So some of these are just giveaway prices. And the goal is to get this top made. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.